Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Natural Roxy here. So today I'm going to be talking about my HydraFacial video. Most of you guys already seen this video. I had this video up a year ago and I decided to delete it because I was demonetized because of the music that was on it, the new rules that's on YouTube. But I had to delete it and put it back up. It was just important to me because this girl was amazing with my face. The HydraFacial worked really well. Today, this is how my face look. The process, I just have two little black spots here, which is just hormonal. Otherwise from that, my skin is just really amazing. And guys, when I say the HydraFacial had a lot to do with it, it really did. I'm going to put a picture up here before how my face was before my HydraFacial and the process steps of the HydraFacial, how she did my facial and everything like that in the video. But guys, why I had to put the video up is because it really helped with my face. The HydraFacial opened up everything for me to do things at home as well. As a process of taking away the dark spots and acne. I know at these times it's really hard to go out and do one. Everything is closed, everything is shut down. But I do recommend a HydraFacial when things open up, even in your home. What I do is I do steam my face still. I do clean my face, and I'm going to do a separate video on the things that I've been using to make sure that I don't get these hyperpigmentation and this acne breakout anymore. Just when I really honestly can tell you that the HydraFacial opened up the door for me to have my face looking like this now. It was just that open step, and I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Skincare is so important, guys. It's not even funny. Like, you can have so much bacteria in your face, putting your hands in your face outside with the climate, everything. So I had to put back up this video, and in the video you'll see the steps that she did. She'll talk about what she's using, things like that in the video. I haven't been back to her. It's been a year. I haven't been back. She's in another part of Florida and I'm in Orlando. So it was kind of hard to get over to her side, but I'm definitely going to make an appointment to go back over there to see her. I don't necessarily think I need a HydraFacial again. I feel like I just want to do a facial with her. She's really cool. I have her Instagram and I'll put it down below underneath, as well as the place where I went to. Really nice girl, and I highly recommend you guys go and visit her if you're in the Florida area and in her area as well. But guys, I recommend it. I really do. My face is just looking really flawless except for these two little bumps. Oh, well, dark spots. I'm working on it. And then I have my smile lines that's really dark around here. And I don't think that's really going to go anywhere too much because I'm always smiling. And well, otherwise from that, I am loving how my skin has improved amazingly. Within the time, is just come a long way. It really has, and you're going to see with the pictures, it just has really come a long way. So with that being said, guys, please enjoy my video again. I had to put it up. I had to delete it and redo it over. It was just important for me to have that video up and running and going the way that I wanted to, because the HydraFacial worked for me. It really did. During the process, I had like a little peeling, but otherwise from that, it really worked with the steps of my face clearing up. So guys, please do watch my video. Stick around to watch it. Please do comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had one, if you're thinking about getting one after all this mess is over. What are you doing at home now to make sure that your face is cleared and not, going through a process of craziness during this time? And let's conversate, guys. And thank you so much for my new subscribers for joining me. I see you. Thank you so much, my old subscribers. Thank you so much for sticking around with this crazy upload that I do. I'm so sorry, but life. And so with that being said, guys, thank you so much. Always watching my video. I love you. Please stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
second step is the glycolic and salicylic acid peels, where you're not actually going to peel. So it's more superficial.
Interesting.
And sometimes people think, oh, because it says peel, that you're actually going to peel.
Yeah.
It just depends on what level of the chemical peel it is.
Oh, okay. So what level is this one?
This one is a 7.5% glycolic and 2% acid prep peel. So it's not too high of a percentage. So we're going to open this new one up right here.
Oh. Okay.
So we're mostly going to put this on the T-zone areas. And a little bit on the cheeks, because that's where your breakouts are at. So dab it. We're not going to rub it in. Just dab it so it doesn't fall into any other areas. And it might tingle a little bit. That's completely normal. Do you feel it tingling?
Yes, feel it tingling.
Okay, so we're going to let that sit for about 30 seconds.
Okay.
Let it sit and let it work in. No downtime. So it's like they call it a skin resurfacing treatment with no downtime. Because it can pretty much almost give you the same results as if you were doing a skin resurfacing treatment, which is usually laser treatments. But this is a hydrofacial treatment, which there's no downtime. I haven't had any of my clients have a reaction. And I've been doing it for about 4 years.
Okay, good.
No reactions, nothing, just redness, but that's completely normal.
Normal, right?
So right now we're going to go to the third step, which is the beta. This is the vortex extractions.
Okay.
Since you got the deluxe hydrofacial, I did do a little bit of manual. But the machine also does extractions as well. Antioxidant, which is going to help protect the skin, okay, and hydrate the skin. Bathing your skin in the antioxidant. We don't suction this out. We don't rub it in. We just leave it on here to really penetrate. And on top of this, I'm going to do some red light therapy so it can really penetrate into your skin. I'm going to cover your eyes.